Hey guys, this is Dylan down here at Get Lowered Cycles. Today we got a really cool video to show you guys. So, as you can see behind me here, this is my 107 2020 Street Glide. So, I had stock head pipes on there with Cobra Uppercut 909 slip-on mufflers on it. Now, the bike already has a Screamin Eagle torque cam on it, if I'm not mistaken.
Fine.
And I've always wanted to put a full system exhaust onto it. And so my personal favorite exhaust was the SP Concepts Full Length Turnpike Works Edition 2-in-1. So before we even get further into this, I'd like to say huge thanks to SP Concepts, especially Greg down there, for working out and a deal and helping me out by getting this beautiful exhaust onto this bike. I'm super stoked about it. I was always a huge fan of SP Concepts. I've always loved their work.
You can see.
You guys will see later in the video, these pipes are works of art. They're beautiful. So to sum it all up, you guys are going to be able to check out the Cobra Uppercut 909s and see the stats of those on the dyno with a stock head pipe, because they are slip-ons. And then you'll be able to check out the SP Concepts 2-in-1 on the dyno and see the stats of that. You'll be able to see the performance gain you get out of just swap it to a full system. And you'll also see some clips of us, starting it, letting it idle. You'll get to see a couple clips of it driving by. That way you can kind of hear it, check it out, see how it looks when you're on the move. Again, huge thanks to Greg down at SP for making this happen. I love this pipe. Huge fan. I have a lot of respect for the hard work that these guys put into making something so beautiful. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it.
Old